Good evening. I don't have a huge speech, so don't get too excited, but first of all, thank you much indeed for the invite. I think this is the first time I've actually been to a Latvian event, so again, thank you for a first, and also thank you for inviting myself and my consort, which is also my wife, Michelle. It's an honour and a pleasure to be with you. Actually, it's the third time I think I've been in the Square Tower in the last month, so it feels like I'm on home turf. So, I've got to admit, I don't know a great deal about Latvia. I do apologise. I looked it up on Wikipedia. I've done a little study about the Latvian community in Portsmouth. So I'm here to celebrate the date, the 106th anniversary with you, but also to learn a bit more about your culture and your country. There's only so much you can actually find reading a Wikipedia page and looking at a YouTube video. So if I can mingle with some of you this evening and tell me a bit more about Latvia, I'll be pleased to learn, okay? Thank you, and I look forward to meeting some of you, okay?
Thank you. We invite you to have this present. Paldies!
Paldies!
Thank you, yes!
Jautājumu, ko tev nozīmē 18. novembris. Un šodien, kad es teicu ievadu runu visiem mums, kas šeit bija sanākuši, es teicu tā, ka nevienmēr ir jāsaka lieli vārdi, skaļi lozungi, jākaļ plāni, kaut kas jāsola, kaut kas jāapņemās. Priekš manis šie ir mani latvietības svētki, mana nodeva manai latvietībai. Un, kā es teicu, himna, varbūt arī šūpuļdziesma. Un priekš manis 18. novembris, mani bērni, mani mazbērni un šūpuļdziesmas. Latviešu kopiena Portsmutā ir pavisam jauna. Mēs esam sākuši darboties šī gada janvārī. Un vēl nav gads apkārt, mēs jau esam 500 cilvēku. Man tik ļoti priecē tas, ar kādu atsaucību, prieku un entuziasmu mēs visi šeit iesaistamies. Un šī ir mūsu pirmā balva, pirmā mūsu atskaites punkts. Un es varu pateikt, ka līdz šim visiem viss ļoti patīk.
Really interesting. I'm really glad I came to the event this evening. I'm really glad I got an invite. It's my first real experience of meeting Latvian people and seeing Latvian culture and tasting Latvian food. All have been really good. I'm glad I came. Having now met the Latvian community here and having understood some of the strengths of it, then absolutely certainly I'm looking to see whether or not we can build upon this. You've met this evening in one part of the city. I hope I can build on that by bringing you into the Guildhall, the main building itself. We can get some event going that recognised by Portsmouth City Council and recognised by your community. The start, perhaps the building of a beginning between us both.
domas man pieteiks